Hello guys. In today's tutorial, you're gonna learn how to recover your deleted messages on Instagram. Let's quickly check if Instagram is updated. Open the App Store or Google Play Store and find Instagram. If there is a button update, click on it and wait a couple of seconds till Instagram installs all the latest features and options. Now open Instagram and head over to the profile page. At the top right corner, you can see the three lines. Click. Pop-up window with the list of options will show up. We need a second option called Your Activity. Click on it. Now scroll down and find the option called Download Your Information. Click. So Instagram saved all the information regarding your profile, including deleted messages and chats. You need to enter the email of your Instagram account. Then Instagram will send you all the deleted photos, comments, and of course messages. Click on Request Download. Here you need to enter your password. Here at the top right corner, click on Next. Now we sent the request to Instagram and we will get an email in around 14 days. That will be it for this tutorial. Thanks for watching and see you in the next video.